Hello everyone, in this tutorial, we'll walk through the basic steps of creating a new project and sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro 2024. These are the foundational steps to start any video editing project, so let's get started. Open Adobe Premiere Pro 2024 by double-clicking the Premiere Pro icon on your desktop or searching for it in your applications. Once Premiere Pro is open, you'll be greeted by the Start screen. Here you have the option to open recent projects or start a new one. To create a new project, click on the New Project button located on the Start screen. A New Project dialog box will appear. Here, you can give your project a name by typing it into the Name field. Next, you'll choose the location where you want to save your project. Click on the Browse button to select a folder on your computer. You'll also see some optional settings like the renderer, scratch disks, and ingest settings. For beginners, you can leave these at their default values. Once everything is set, click OK to create your new project. Step 2. Creating a new sequence. Now that your project is created, it's time to create a sequence, which is where you'll arrange your video clips. To create a new sequence, go to the top menu and click on File, then hover over New, and select Sequence from the drop-down menu. A new sequence dialog box will appear, offering several sequence presets. These presets are organized based on the type of footage you'll be working with, such as DSLR, AVHD, or ARRI. If you're unsure which preset to use, you can select one based on your footage's resolution and frame rate. And that's it! You've successfully created a new project and sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro 2024. Now you're ready to start importing your media and begin editing. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials.